Hello everyone, welcome to Chennai's platform. So here we'll be unboxing this pocket clock. So I received it today. I ordered it in Amazon. So this is basically for my mother. Time constraints, she has to do like so many things in a day. So she was using a clock, but that was not that good. So what I thought of ordering a pocket clock whose size will be like little small in size, and will be handy to like carry over. So it's like see like come upstairs to like prayers and all. So she can carry. So yeah. So without any delay, let's proceed. Let me just unbox this. So let me cut this out. Here we go. Packaging is nice. There was a little delay while delivering. So packaging is also nice. That is good. Let's get the pot. Now we have the product. Okay, let's keep all these garbages aside and let's see how this looks. It's really nice here. See, packaging is also good. Decent product. They have this key ring. You can just hold that up, and the printings are also good. Okay, if you can see, this is the front part of this product. This is the back of it. Okay. So there is a button up. If you click this button, it will open it for you. So let's, yeah, here you go. Oh, that's the ready. Oh, it has now its time around 12:06, but here the time we have is like 11:45. So we have to adjust the time. Okay, so how to adjust? I just as watching a video. So how she mentioned over there is like you have to pull out this ring. So this is basically the ring. You can rotate bezel. So what you have to do, you have to just pull that out. So it's like this. Now it's pulled out. So if you remove this, like if you rotate this, it will rotate your the clock hands. Okay, so let me set it to accurate time. So it's 12:07. So I just placed it 12:07. I'll just push that button, that rotating bezel. I just again have to push that in, so that that clock will start moving. Okay, so that is all set. So now it's 12:07 or 12:06. It's 1 minute. That's fine. So now it's all set for my mother. Yeah, that's all. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching my video. Thanks. Bye all.